when someone says choosing right decision and wrong decision is very easy, but choosing best decision is very much complex. As you have choice best decision, for that we are able to stand in front of you. So
Yes, nice.
that's why I personally believe that teaching is not a profession; it's that service for the student, for the nation, for the human beings.
Yes.
But it's on a special day. I want to gratitude from my bottom of my heart, and I want to say Happy Teachers Day for you and for all my teachers out there. Sir, actually I don't have words to expose my thought because of your dedication, because of your love, because of your sacrifices. Today we are able to speak few words in front of society. We are able to realize ourselves. We are able to see our